Hi guys, we received this bamboo roll for work purposes, and well, it's a very nice bamboo roll that you can put on your fence, so it gets a little bit more of privacy. And it's really big. You can see it extends a lot, but you can adjust it to what you need depending on your necessities, obviously. Let's see how long it goes. As you can see, it's quite long. You can use it to get better privacy at your house, which is really nice. As you can see, it's purely bamboo. As you can see, it's very long. So I'm gonna put it on my fence outside and see how it looks. So as you can see, it's ready. It gives a little bit more of privacy, and it looks really nice. It's very easy to put on. It helps a lot. These strings that binds together all the bamboo. It looks amazing. If you want to give some new touches to your house, I would really recommend it. See ya.